Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessie and today's video is going to be a quick review about the Urban Decay Little Liquid Vise set. So if you guys want to know my thoughts about this product, then please keep on watching. So this is actually $15 right now, and to me that is ridiculously priced. And when I found out, of course, I'll forever be cheap, guys. Even when with luxurious items, I would definitely be cheap, but if I have the money, then I will splurge if I really like something. So I have mad love for liquid lipsticks, but the only reason why it's hindering me not to purchase them is because my lips is insanely dry. So when this one went on sale, I was like, you know what, I'll give it a try. You know what, $15, why not? And you will be getting like 4 liquid lipsticks. So you have red, kind of like a nude pink, one metallic color, and one that has a lot of glitters in it. So all in one, it's like the colors in this kit is something that I think that I would wear, and the only thing that I know that I'm not gonna wear is the red one because I will never wear red. A lot of people look good in red, but every time I wear red I look like a whore, which I am, but anywho. Without further ado, let's start the swatches. I'm gonna swatch them one by one. I actually have this little thing right here so that I don't have to have a hard time when it comes to removing them. So I'm gonna start with Backtalk. That's what it looks like. And that is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And if my nose is leaking, I'm sorry about that. Now that I have a new camera, you can literally see everything. You know what? This is such a nice color for every day, going to an office, first date, wedding. This is something that I would definitely use. So again, things are falling down. Just give me a second. All right, so we're done with that. Let me just wipe it. So how are you guys? How are you guys doing? You guys okay? There you go. And then the next one that I'm gonna try out is called Amulet. So this has like microfine glitter on it. Yeah. This is what it looks like. Now let's try the metallic one, which is Purgatory. Oh my gosh, my nose is leaking. Please do not unsubscribe, girl. Why am I doing this without American? Someone tell me. You know what? Girl. Why am I doing this with my... Oh, hey! Oh, ha 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 ha. What's that? Okay. Why didn't I wear this last? Like, I love this color. Why? Alright. This is what it looks like. I love this color. I can't. Now I have to remove it and wear the red one. By the way, I'm not saying that I don't like red just to get compliments. I know, like, seriously, like, I have a friend like that. Like, there was this one time, like, I hate my makeup so bad, and I don't really feel, I feel ugly that day, and she's like, you're just saying that you're ugly so you'd get compliments, and I'm like, no! I really think that we all have that day wherein People think that you look good, but in yourself you feel like, ugh, you know, like, ugh. I have my face. Oh my goodness, I have to like powder my lip all around. And then the last color, which is crimson. And that's what it looks like. So, you know what? Whatever. I'm gonna put this on the ground. This is what it looks like. Honestly, you guys, there's a reason why it is ranked highly on the internet, because this is really good. I think all of the liquid lipsticks are very, very comfortable. So if you have never tried any Urban Decay liquid lipsticks before, go ahead and try it. There is definitely nothing to lose. The only comment that I have is that the Backtalk, you need to to achieve like the full color of it, in my opinion, you need 2 coats. But then again, if you want like a soft lip look, 1 coating is enough. But I really love them. They are not streaky at all. They stay very well, really last for a long time, even if you drink coffee. They are very comfortable. Again, my lips are insanely dry, and I've tried this one and I have not experienced any chipping on my lips. So this is an amazing deal. If you guys are still curious about whether to buy this or not, I would totally recommend it. There is absolutely nothing to lose. If you do not like one of the colors, give it to your friend, give it to your sister, your mom, your boyfriend, or whatever, you know. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me. And if you are still not part of the Sassy family, go ahead and subscribe. I upload every day. I know that's annoying, but girl, I just love making videos. See you guys next time. Bye.